Architecture is the ultimate expression of our hope for a better future. A future where our buildings are safer, more sustainable, and enhance our quality of life. Founded in Hong Kong in 2014, AluHouse is a global leader in modular construction industry. We bring high-performance building solutions to a worldwide clientele. AluHouse is the world's first supplier to master 3 distinct modular integrated construction (MIC) systems: concrete, steel, and aluminum. This unique expertise allows us to offer a comprehensive end-to-end solution that spans research and development, design, manufacturing, logistics, on-site installation, and after-sales support. AluHouse's operations are anchored by a 250,000 square meter MIC super factory located in the Greater Bay Area of China. This state-of-the-art facility is the heart of our vertically integrated supply chain, managing everything from raw material processing and component fabrication to the final assembly and finishing of MIC modules. To serve our global partners, AluHouse also operates production bases in key regions such as Saudi Arabia or other countries. As pioneers in modular construction industry, we are constantly exploring the full potential of MIC, from cozy family homes to vibrant public spaces. We offer fully customized solutions to bring people's vision of a better life to fruition. Our comprehensive portfolio includes commercial residential properties, social housing, private villas, apartments, schools, dormitories, hospitals, and office buildings. It also extends to boutique hotels and public facilities. Our successful projects can be found in dozens of countries and regions across the globe. Guided by our vision to create exceptional buildings for a global clientele, AluHouse is committed to relentless innovation in construction technology. AluHouse's elite team of seasoned engineers and designers collaborates with top-tier international universities and consulting firms, fueling our extensive experience and creativity across a wide range of fields. This includes structural engineering, interior design, MEP design, mold design, and the research and development of aluminum windows and curtain walls. At AluHouse, we believe technology is the engine of modern productivity. We utilize Building Information Modeling, BIM, and our proprietary AluSmart Smart Factory Management System to achieve seamless, end-to-end digitalization. By integrating intelligent robotics and automated production lines, we have elevated industrial production and achieved a factory prefabrication rate of over 95%. This translates to an impressive daily capacity of 250 MIC units and an annual output of up to 48,000 units. While traditional construction battles weather conditions, our city building and digital factories is now a reality. AluHouse consistently overcomes traditional technical hurdles to advance green building development. Whether working with concrete or metal MIC structures, we are dedicated to developing and applying eco-friendly sustainable materials. Through our factory production on-site assembly model, we dramatically enhance production efficiency and economic benefits, pioneering the blueprint for sustainable urban development. Looking ahead, AluHouse will continue to lead the industry by harnessing new materials and construction technologies. We are committed to building a happier, more sustainable world, transforming the dream of better buildings into a tangible reality for all.